All right. Number one, a case of the what ifs. Listen, I get a case of the what ifs sometimes. Do you? What if I get sick and I can't take care of my family? And what if I'm in the hospital and I'm in a lot of pain? And what if I'm like not able to handle what happens? And what if life doesn't go back to normal? And what if, and what if, and what if, and what if, and what if I can't stop the what ifs? And what if I can't stop the whating, the what ifings, and the what ifings, and then you're spinning and spinning and spinning, and you're lost. You're lost, lost, lost. I know what that's like. I work with hundreds of clients that know what that's like. It's torture. Now let's talk about getting out of torture. I don't know about you, but I don't like being helpless and powerless. Let's talk about how you can free yourself. Number one, we're going to talk about self-talk. Now, this is for triggers, let's say level 4 to 6. Moderate anxiety. If you're having full-blown panic attacks, I would suggest you reach out to us or a therapist or some other resource and help yourself in a more intensive way. This is really for the moderate level of stress. If you have it, it may work, but I don't want to make any guarantees if you have that high level. Now, what you can do to begin with is do some self-talk, and we're going to teach you some questioning techniques that are really good for the what-ifs. So one of them we call the how do you know technique. In the how do you know technique, what you do is you repeat this question over and over again and until your mind shuts up. And we also call it a thought stopping technique. So the first step is I want you to pause this video and I want you to make a list of all the what ifs you can think of from the recent corona experience, okay? What if I can't make money? What if I can't? So I want you to make a long list of what ifs, okay? And next to each one, label its intensity of its trigger on a scale of 1 to 10. All right, welcome back and great job. I'm sure maybe I have 5, 10 of them. Okay, so the first one, you're going to practice this technique though. How do you know technique? What you're going to do is you are going to challenge yourself. You say, hey, what if I'm not able to make money after the corona because we never go back to normal and the economy is tanking? Okay. Well, what if? What if that's the case? So you're going to do a self-talk strategy where you challenge it out loud. Keep your thoughts in your head and your challenge out loud. Thoughts in your head and the challenge out loud. You go like this. What if, I'm just going to play the thoughts, right? What if I can't get my income back up? How do you know I'm not going to be able to get my income back up? Well, it says the thoughts, my economy's not doing well and I'm probably not going to have a job. How do you know I'm not going to have a job? Because our economy is going to go down. How do you know our economy is going to go down? Well, because look what's happening. How do you know that's what's going to happen in the future? Well, I don't. Well, then how do you know it's going to be so bad? I don't. Okay, end. Thought stop. Sometimes it takes 4 rounds of this, repeating cycle. Sort of like an 8-year-old says, why? You're like, all right, just shut up. Anyways, so try that out. And take 2 or 3 of them and try them out. Pause the video now, try those out, and I want you to write in the journal section next how that worked for you. Okay, and you can even get online and enter into the chat group. How that worked for you. All right, there'll be a tab called "How do you know?" technique for what ifs. Okay, next we're going to cover. What ifing. Another way to do is what if is with the positive what ifs. It's a great article I saw. So positive what ifs next. And after that, we're going to talk a little philosophically about projective anxiety thought patterns.